Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel again. So in my previous video we are discussing about CBSE class 10th. The chapter is trigonometric ratios of complementary angles, and we have discussed question number exercise 8. Exercise 8 up to question number I am telling up to question number 9 we have solved. So today, as you can see, today we will going to learn from question number 10. Okay, so let's starting exercise 8. Chapter name is trigonometric ratio of complementary angles. Trigonometric ratio of complementary angles up to 9, question number 9, and we are doing exercise 8 up to question number 9 we have solved. Today we will start from question number 10. What is given in question number 10? If tan 2a is equal to cot a minus 12 degree, where 2a is acute angle, find the value of a. So here tan 2a, that's equals to cot a minus 12 degree, that means tan 90 minus a minus 12 degree, 90 degree minus a minus 12 degree. Okay, tan 2a, that's equals to tan, this is now 90 degree plus 12 degree means 102 degree minus a. Okay, tan should be omitted, so 2a is equal to 102 degree minus a, so 3a is equal to 102 degree. Now a is equal to 102 by 3, 3 3 ja, 3 4 ja, so we have to find the value of a. So the value of a is 34 degree. Next move to another question. Next move to question number 11, exercise 8, question number 11. Now in question number 11 it is given that sec 4a is equal to cosec a minus 15 degree. If so, sec 4a is equal to cosec a minus 15 degree. If so, 4a is an acute angle, so find the value of a. So this is similar, that is we have to made sec 4a, that's equals to sec 90 minus a minus 15 degree. Okay, and by omitting sec we are getting 90 means 105 degree plus minus a, so 5 is equal to 105 degree, a is equal to 105 by 5, 21 degree, so a is equal to 21 degree. Next, question number 12 we have already solved. Now today we will going to start from question number 13 again. Now question number 13, it is given that sin 15 degree cos 75 degree cos 15 degree sin 75 degree divided by tan 5 degree tan 30 degree tan 35 degree tan 55 degree tan 85 degree. It is given, we have to find without using trigonometric table. evaluate the following without using trigonometric table. We have to find this value. So for that, so this is sin 15 degree. Now sin 15, okay. Next cos 75 means sin 90 minus 75 degree, okay, plus cos 15 degree remaining here. Next sin 90 minus cos 90 minus 75 degree divided by, this is tan 5 degree, so tan 5 degree. Next this is tan 30 degree, tan 30 degree. Next tan 35 degree, tan 35 degree means cot 90 minus 35 degree. Now tan 55 degree means cot 90 minus 55 degree. Sorry, this we have to remain same, that is tan 55 degree. This is tan 85 degree, this that means cot 90 minus 85 degree, okay. Sin 15 degree, this is also sin 15 degree, plus cos 15 degree, this is also cos 15 degree, divided by, and this is tan 5 degree and 5 degree, tan 30. Now tan 30 degree, the value of tan 30 is 1 by root 3 into cot, this is obviously this is cot 55, so cot 55 degree into, this is tan 55 degree into cot, this is cot 5 degree, tan cot cancelize, cot tan cancelize, and in the upper half we are getting sin square 15 degree plus cot square 15 degree by 1 by root 3, that means 1 by root 3, that is root 3 is the answer. Next move to another question. Now the question is given here, question number 15 I am solving. Question number 15, 2 cos 65 degree sin 25 degree minus tan 20 degree cot 70 degree minus sin 90 degree tan 5 degree plus tan 5 degree into tan 35 degree into tan 60 degree into tan 55 degree into tan 85 degree. Now this is cos 65 means sin 90 minus 65 divided by, this is sin 25 degree minus, this is cot 90 minus 20 degree. by cot 70 degree minus sin 90. Sin 90 value of sin 90 is 1. Now here we have to again adjust this tan 5 degree we are remaining here. This is tan 35, tan 35 degree, tan 60 degree root 3 into tan 55 means cot 90 minus 55, tan 85 means cot 90 minus 85. This is 2, this is sin 25 by sin 25, cancelize, minus this is cot 70 by cot 70 minus 1 plus tan 5, okay, we have to make one more line. This is tan 5 degree tan 35 degree into root 3. This is cot 35 degree. This is cot 5 degree. This should be cancellized. So this is 2 minus 1 plus root 3. So if we do the calculation, we are getting root 3 as answer. Next question, question number 15. 2 cos 65 degree by sin 25 degree minus tan 20 by cos 70 minus sin 90 plus tan 5 degree plus tan 35 degree plus tan 60 plus tan 55 into tan 85 degree. Now here this is cos 65 means sin 90 minus 65 divided by sin 25 minus tan 20 means cot 90 minus 20 by cot 70. From this line, this is tan 5 degree, tan 35 remains same, tan 60 degree, value root 3, value is root 3. Now tan 55 degree, tan 55 degree means cot 90 minus 55 degree. Okay. Now this is tan 85 means cot 90 minus 85 degree. Now here we can cancelize it. Again we are cancelizing it. So this is 2 into 1 means 2. This is minus 1. This is minus 1. Tan 5 cot 5 cancelize. Tan 35 cot 35 cancelize. This is root 3. Root 3 remaining here. So after do the calculation, root 3 is the answer. Next move to another question. Question number 18 I am doing. Question number 18. I am writing minus tan theta cot 90 degree minus theta plus sec theta cosec 90 degree minus theta sin square 35 degree sin square 55 degree divided by tan 10 degree tan 20 degree tan 30 degree tan 70 degree tan 80 degree. So here this is minus tan theta, cot 90 minus theta means tan theta plus this is sec theta, cosec 90 minus theta means again sec theta plus this is sin square 35 degree, sin square 35 degree, sin square 55 degree, that can be written as cos square 35 degree, because sin 55 degree can be written as cos 35 degree. Now this is tan 10 degree, tan 20 degree, tan 30 means 1 by root 3, tan 70 means cot 90 minus 70, this is cot 90 minus 80, this is minus tan square theta plus this is sec square theta. Sin square 35 degree cos square 35 degree means 1, tan 10 degree, tan 20 degree 1 by root 3, this is cot 20 degree into cot 10 degree, cot 10 tan 10 cancelize, tan 20 cot 20 cancelize. Now this is 1 plus sec square theta minus tan square theta means 1 by 1 by root 3. That means 2 by 1 by root 3 means 2 root 3 will be the answer. Next question number 20. Sin square 25 degree plus sin square 65 degree root 3 tan 5 degree, tan 15 degree, tan 30 degree, tan 75 degree, tan 85 degree. This is also is very easy question. This is sin square 25. This can be written as cos square 25. So sin square 25 cos square 25, by adding we are getting this as 1, and again if we have to if we adjust this is root 3. If we adjust this we will get 1 by root 3, root 3 cancelize, again we are getting 1. So this 1 plus 1 we are getting 2 will be the answer. Next move to another question. Question number 22. Sec square 54 degree minus cot square 36 degree divided by cosec square 57 degree minus tan square 33 degree plus 2 sin square 38 degree sec square 52 degree minus sin square 45 degree. This value we have to compute. So this is sec square 54 degree, okay. Cot 36 means tan 54, okay. So this is can be written as tan square 54 degree divided by, this is cosec 57, cosec 57 means sec 33 degree. So this can be written as sec square 30 degree minus tan square 30 degree plus this is 2 sin 38 degree means cos square 52 degree, this is sec square 52 degree minus sin square 45 degree. Now value of sin 45 degree is 1 by root 2. So that means 1 by root 2 whole square. This is now sec square 54 minus tan square 54 means 1 divided by sec square 33 minus tan square 33 1 plus 2. This is cos square 52 into sec square 52 means 2 into this is 1 square minus 1 by 2, 1 plus 2 minus half means 3 minus half. So if we do the calculation we will get 5 by 2 means 1 whole 2 whole 1 by 2. So that will be the answer. Question number 22, 5 by 2 will be the answer. Next move to another question. Next move to question number 23. Sec square 90 minus theta minus cot square theta by 2 into sin square 25 degree plus sin square 65 degree plus 2 cos square 60 degree tan square 28 degree tan square 62 degree divided by 3 into sec square 43 degree minus cot square 47 degree. Understood? Now this can be written as, this is sec 90 minus theta means cosec theta. So this can be written as cosec square theta minus this is can be written as cot square theta divided by 2 into this is sin square 25 degree plus this can be written as cos square 25 degree. You will do the calculation, you will get it. Now if you do the calculation, that now here this is 2 into cos square 60 degree, cos 60 degree means 1 by 2. So this is 1 by 2, we are putting the values 1 by 2 square, tan 28 degree, tan square 28 degree, sorry viewers, tan square 28 degree. Now this is tan square 62 means cot square 28 degree divided by 3 into this is sec square 43 degree minus this can be written as tan square 43 degree. Okay, cot 47 degree means tan 43 degree. Now cosec square theta minus cot square theta means 1 by 2 into 1 plus 2 into 1 by 4, this can be written as cancelize, this can be 1 square divided by 3, this can be written as 1 sec square theta minus tan square theta. Okay, now this is 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2 by 3. Okay, 1 by 2 plus this is 1 by 1 by 6 means 4 by 6. If you do the calculation, 2 by 3 will be the answer. This is question number 23. Next come to question number 25. Now question number 25. Question number 25. It is also a very easy question. Question number 25. I am not solving it right now. You should try it in your home. Various types of question given in R.S. Agarwal mathematics book of class 10th CBSE. As you can see, various types of math. I am not solving it right now. It is also an easy question. Next move to question number 26. Now question number 26 I am writing. Question number 26. 3 tan 25 degree, tan 40 degree, tan 50 degree, tan 65 degree minus half tan square 60 degree. Okay, divided by 4 cos square 29 degree plus cos square 61 degree. Now this is 3 tan 25 degree, 3 tan 25 degree into tan 40 degree, tan 50 can be written as cot 40 and tan 65 can be written as cot 25 degree minus half into tan 60. The value of tan 60 is root 3, so root 3 square. This is 4 cos square 29 degree plus this cos 61 can be written as sin square 29 degree. Now if you do the calculations, tan can be cancelled as cot, tan can be cancelled as cot means 3 minus this is 3 by 2 by 4 into this is 1. Now this can be written as 6 means again 3 by 2, 3 by 2 by 4 means 3 by 8 will be the required answer. Next move to the last question of this exercise, that is exercise number 8 of trigonometric ratio of complementary angles. Okay. Question number 27. Question number 27. 2/3 cosec square 58 degree minus 2/3 cot 58 degree tan 32 degree minus 5/3 tan 13 degree tan 37 degree tan 45 degree tan 53 degree tan 77 degree. 2/3 taking common, this is cosec square 58 degree minus this is cot 58 degree. I am writing here tan 32 can be written as again cot 58, this is cot 58 degree minus 5/3 tan 13 degree tan 37 degree into 1 tan 53 degree can be written as cot 37 degree and tan 77 degree can be written as tan 13 degree. Okay. These are cancellized, this will be cancellized. Now this is 2/3 cosec square theta minus cot square theta, that is equals to 1. This cot into cot means 1 minus this is 5/3. If we do the calculation, we will get minus 3/3. That means minus 1 would be the answer. So that's it about this video of solution of related to trigonometric ratio of complementary angles from CBSE curriculum. Hope you will have understood, and viewers, I suggest you that you go through this CCE questions that is given in R.S. Agarwal mathematics book, as you can see from here, R.S. Agarwal mathematics book. So I suggest you go through these CCE questions, try to do it yourself. If you have any problem, then tell me. Okay. So that's it for this video. We will come and join in our next video related to some more mathematical topics. Till then, do subscribe, please do subscribe the channel, and please share it along with your friends circles. Okay. And please support me, please subscribe my channel and be permanent. Thank you.